In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to mark a sales invoice as paid in Zoho Books. If you're using Zoho Books to manage your accounting and invoicing, knowing how to properly record payments is extremely important because it keeps your financial records accurate and ensures that your invoices no longer show as outstanding. Many users create invoices but forget to record the payment once the customer actually pays, which means the invoice still appears unpaid in reports. The good news is that Zoho Books makes this process very quick and simple once you know where to click. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to open the invoice and record the payment so the invoice is marked as paid correctly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials and accounting software guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is open the invoice that you want to mark as paid. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account and going to your main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu where Zoho Books organizes all of your accounting features, like sales, purchases, banking, and reports. From this menu, click on Sales. When the Sales section expands, select Invoices. This will open the Invoices page where you can see a list of all the invoices you have created for your customers. Here you'll see details like the invoice number, the customer name, the total amount, and the payment status. Look through the list and find the specific invoice that has been paid by your customer but is still showing as unpaid or outstanding in the system. Once you find the correct invoice, simply click on it. This will open the full invoice details page where you can view the items, totals, customer information, and the current payment status for that invoice. Now that the invoice is open, the next step is to record the payment so Zoho Books knows that the customer has already paid. On the invoice page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Record Payment. Click on the Record Payment button to open the payment recording window. In this section, Zoho Books allows you to enter the details of the payment that you received from the customer. Typically, this will include information such as the payment date, the payment amount, and the payment mode. For example, you might select bank transfer, cash, check, or credit card depending on how the customer paid you. In most cases, Zoho Books will automatically fill in the full outstanding amount of the invoice, but you can adjust this if the customer made a partial payment. Once the payment information looks correct, simply confirm the details and save the payment. As soon as you record the payment, Zoho Books will automatically update the invoice status. The invoice will now be marked as paid and the outstanding balance will be cleared. And that's all it takes to mark a sales invoice as paid in Zoho Books. Just open the invoice, click Record Payment, confirm the payment details, and save. This ensures your books stay accurate and your invoices correctly reflect what your customers have already paid. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.